Captain John from Titanic, Honor and Glory, came all the way from Scotland to work with us.
He gave us a lot of information about the Titanic.
We learned about people on board.
We learned about how the Titanic was built.
We saw actual nameplates from the lifeboats.
There are only 3 of them in the whole world.
We saw an off-core wood from the second-class staircase.
The sinking of the Titanic was a tragedy.
Looking back at it, we've learned so much.
Let's take a look at some of our work.
This is a pictogram showing how many people went on Titanic. This is the cost of the Titanic with some facts.
This is my published work of the Titanic.